Hey YouTube, how's it going? Today we are going to be talking about camp foods, foods that we take when we go out hiking, overnighting, whatever. Many different varieties to choose from. We've got our classic boil in the bags, we've got the dehydrated foods, and we've got whatever else we want to take with us really. But today we are going to be looking at one brand in particular, a company called Torq, T-O-R-Q. They're well known in the cycling and running world because they make energy gels, energy bars, drinks, the whole works. But they have released their new Torq Snaq meals. These things just here. They do them in two flavors at the moment. I've got the smoked tomato. They also do it in field mushroom. These are dehydrated. This one, as you can probably see just up here, is the recovery meal. So it's got more protein in it, which is probably a benefit to us if we're out doing long distance hikes. So let's get this opened up, get it on the stove and have a try. So let's take a quick look at the nutritional content of this meal. So the calories are 421, the fat is 1.79 grams, carbohydrates 75, fiber is 3.5, protein 25, and salt 1.29. So it's very nutritiously complete in that sense. And we're going to get it now in the pot, cook it up, and have a taste. Today we're using my Alpkit titanium mug. We popped the pasta in the pot, now to add the 500 ml of water. So this is going to fill it up pretty high. There we go, we're going to give that a stir, get the stove on, and get tasting. Okay, so now it's cooked. I've let it stand for a couple of minutes as per the instructions, and it does look really tasty. Here it is in the pot. Where's the camera? There we go. First thing that I noticed was the smell of this actually smelled really good. You could smell the smoked tomato, and the pasta looks really tasty as well. So let's give it a try and see what we think. Cheers. Still a bit hot. So the pasta is nicely cooked, just the way I like it. I had it cooked for 12 minutes. It's very, well, there's definitely a smoky flavour to it, which is brilliant. You get the tomato, the pasta. If you've ever had a higher protein pasta, you'll know it has that weird sort of textury flavour, but I was expecting that anyway. Overall, very nice little meal to have when you're out camping. If I left it a bit longer or used a little less water, the sauce would be thicker. It's a bit runny, but that's probably my fault for adding too much water anyway. But yeah, definitely one to consider when you're out and about. And yeah, check out Torq. Out of 5, I'd definitely give this a good 4 stars. If it was a bit quicker to cook, it would definitely be a little bit higher, but it's got all the flavours. You're not gonna turn your nose up at this at the end of a long day hiking. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and I will see you soon for more videos. Have a great day, YouTube.